Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to crochet easy to remember pattern. For this one I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. All additional information could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the chain. Then chain 5 for the chain space. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Make treble crochet. Like this. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work like this. Yarn over the hook and work into the chain space. Make 9 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Continue working on the pattern. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Instead of first single crochet, turn the work. I am done the first stitch. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch. Make single crochet. Then make single crochet into each stitch of the previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last one. Make into the third chain stitch, or this is the first stitch from the top. So that's it, my row is ready. I continue working on my pattern. This is one side, let's look at another one. The next step is making chain space. Chain 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into 2 loops like this. Make treble crochet. Well done. Chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. So I'm making in the same way as I did in the first one. Turn the work and make 9 double crochet into the chain space. 1, and you should work with your own. I have done all 9 double crochet stitches as I did in the first one. Make a chain. Instead of first single crochet, turn the work. I skip the first stitch and single crochet into the second stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the ninth one make into the third chain stitch. The second segment is ready. So let's look at my 2 segments. I continue working on the such kind of segments, and my pattern consists of these segments. It is very simple and unusual in the same time. And now I show you how to make the third one. Make a chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over the hook twice and make treble crochet into 2 loops. Make treble crochet. Chain of 3, turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain space, make 9 double crochet, 1 and so on. Then you should work with such segments as many times as you need. In total it should be 4 of them. In my case, in your case it could be more or less. It depends on your project. As I told you before, I have done 4 segments. This is the beginning of the work. You can do more segments or less. It depends on your project. Now I continue working on my pattern. Let's crochet the next row. It is going to be a row consist of such segment. Make a chain of 10 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All done. Turn the work. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert the hook into the 7th one. Make a slip stitch. Then slip stitch through the next stitch. And slip stitch through the next one. And the 4th one into the next stitch. In total I have done 4 slip stitches in a row. My chain space is ready. Then I turn the work into the chain space. Make 10 double crochet into the chain space. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Make a chain, turn the work. As I did in the segments that I did in the lower row, I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second one, make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 single crochet. So I have done 9 single crochet. I continue working on my pattern. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As I did before, I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the 7th one. Make slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the work. Work into the chain space. Make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, and so on till you will get 10 double crochet into the chain space. I have done my stitches. I continue working on the second row. As I did in the first segment, make a chain, turn the work. I skip the first stitch and single crochet into the second stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Oops, I lost my loop. 4, 5. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the 7th one. Make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here what I have at this point. Now turn the work to the another side and work into the chain space. Make 10 double crochet into the chain space. 1, and so on. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. So this pattern is easy to remember. So you can do the chain space and just crochet the stitches around the chain space. So it's easy to remember. So you should continue working with your own, and you should work as many times as you need. And I remind you, you can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. This depends on your project. And of course I will show you how to complete my pattern. Let's complete this row together. So all segments are the same. Let's crochet the next row of segments. I'm starting in the same way. For this you need chain of 10 for the chain space. So let's count how many chains I need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the 7th one. Make slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I will begin in the same way from the chain of 10 and so on. Then turn the work and work into the chain space. Make 10 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. You can use this pattern for any product. Make a chain, turn the work. I skip the first stitch and single crochet into the second stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and work with a slip stitch into the 7th one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn the work and 10 double crochet into the chain space. So I did the chain space and I need to crochet the trim for it. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. So as you can see the way how you can crochet the pattern. So you should crochet as many rows as you need for your project. And I will show you how to complete this pattern. Very unusual and simple to remember at the same time. Here how it looks when it is ready. Each row consists of 4 small segments. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. You can use this pattern to create any kind of project and use it to create bracelet, necklace or choker. In this case you should crochet only 2 rows. Pattern consists of different toe stitches such as double crochet and treble crochet. Please don't forget to write comment below this video tutorial what you will get and where you will use my pattern. See you in the next video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!